Good evening, y'all. Welcome back to Fixaholic number 1. Today I'm going to be showing you a little trick that gonna save you some money. I mean, it's gonna cost you a little money to buy these two devices that I'm gonna show you. I don't know if they're devices, but I'm gonna show you what you need to make this work. And it's gonna work for if you have two motorcycles, like this is Green Monster for you all who don't know, and this is T-Rex for you who don't know. Okay? So we're gonna use a battery tender for one of them and a battery charger for the other one this winter when you ain't doing that much riding. But the trick I'm going to show you, stick to the end, and I'll show you in the end. Let me come get y'all, show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the battery tender. This is the battery tender you can get this little battery tender. I mean, it's probably, I think it was about 30 some dollars. You can get it at Walmart and places like that. And it's a 12-volt battery tender. And up here, this is my charging station. I have a battery tester. I have a battery charger. Again, this is just a little ever start. I mean, it charges a 12 volt and a 6 volt. Let me zoom you in so you can see it. See, it says 12 right here, 12 volt and 6 volt. And these, you need this, and you need this battery tender. Okay, this end right here, let me get it where you can see it. This end right here, that's the female, and the silver is the male. And this is my battery charger. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you that tip I was gonna tell you. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you know what I was talking about. Okay, this is the battery charger. Remember this end right here. The female and the silver thing is the male. Okay, so that's the battery charger. And right here's the battery tender. See, the same end. The female and the silver is the male. Okay, now let's go to the motorcycle at T-Rex. See, you got your red hooked to your positive, your black hooked to your negative, and right here's that same plug in, your male and your female. So what did that tell you? That should tell you that you can use this, which would be the battery charger or the battery tender. You can hook either the battery tender or the battery charger because it's got the male and the female end. And that's T-Rex. Or you can do it like I got T-Rex. Green Monster over here. Look at this end. You see that? It's the same thing. The same hookup. The male goes in here, right here where my thumb is. And the male part on the other end goes into the female. So you can use the battery charger or you can use the battery tender. And this part here is on Green Monster. It's got this cap here. You can just fold that around and plug it in and tuck it back under here. Like so. See how I tuck that in? And then, that part is hooked to the battery. You got a black and you got a red. And y'all, that's what I had to show you. That right there is the battery station. Let me show you again. This is what you need. And that's just a regular uh, board that I cut, and I put some screws on it, put it on the wall. Got me one of these little corner brackets and put it together. And I got one screw under the bottom. Well, no, I don't. I ain't got no screws on the bottom. So this is what's holding it. Just use one corner bracket. One corner bracket, and that holds that together. And then you got your homemade charging station. That's what I call it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Again, if you have any questions on the exact board size that I have right here and this one, they're the same size. I think it's like a 1x6. I think it's a 1x6. And you can use that and make your own. I got 2 screws right here holding the battery charger up. And my battery tender, as I showed you, is plugged here in the wall. And there you go. You got your battery station. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm coming with more tips and assembling things. I got a whole lot to do around here. God bless you. Thank you for my subscribers that I got already. And look for my next video. I'm trying to save you some money. And it will save you some money. I got plenty of tips and dips and all that. You know what I'm trying to say. But I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.